Hi guys, my name is Allie from Roller Coaster Empire here in Carmichael, California, and I just finished and completed my first class. Honestly, it was a great experience and I learned a lot from Steven and Matt and Graham, so if you guys are interested in checking it out, I really recommend you guys taking the next class whenever it comes up.
This is Shane from Elk Grove, California. I've been wanting to try to get over here for about 2 years. This class finally happened, so glad I did. I recommend it highly to any level that you're at. This is a great experience, great knowledge. Stephen and Graham and Matt, they're all great teachers to give you the knowledge that you need to excel to the next level, so highly recommend this class.
Eric Reed from Rockland, California. I would highly recommend the class. It is comprehensive, covers all the bases, answer any questions. Excellent teachers. Highly recommend it.
My name's Lalo. I'm from Fresno. I had a great experience here with Matt, Graham, Steve. Great mentors. I recommend this to anybody that's wanting to learn hands-on experience. They answer all your questions. So if you're looking for great knowledge, this is the place to go.
This is Giovanni Mejia from Truckee, California. Been a good 2 days here at NorCal Screen Print Supply. If you need anything, this is the spot. If not, come check out their class. Good knowledge from Steven. Looking forward to doing business with them.
This is Adam Vieira with 83 Printing. I just took the class here at NorCal in Sacramento. It was amazing. I've been looking forward to this for months, waiting for the opportunity. Steven, Ram, Matt, they're amazing. They answered all my questions and some. I feel like this is really gonna put me over the top. The knowledge that I needed to be successful, I recommend it to anybody.